Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Purnima presenting the news headlines of the day. The Handloom, Textile and Handicraft Department is all set to organize 15th Tosali National Craft Mela at Janta Maidan, Bhubaneswar from January 21st to February 4. Padmini Dian, Minister of Handloom, Textile and Handicraft, made the announcement along with various arrangements on the fair here on Monday. The Odisha government will receive the second consignment of Covishield and Covaxin on Tuesday. The Pune-based Serum Institute of India is scheduled to dispatch the second consignment of 33,450 vials, that is 3,34,500 doses, said sources in the Health and Family Welfare Department. Healthcare workers who refuse to take the COVID-19 vaccine will not get a second chance for free vaccination if they miss their date. The state government made it clear. Those who say no to the free vaccine during the ongoing immunization drive will not get an opportunity for free vaccine again. Bhubaneswar MP Aparajita Sarangi Monday informed that Highway National Authority has approved a proposal for construction of a foot overbridge between Sahil Nagar and Syama Prasad Mukherjee Park near Satsang Bihar in Bhubaneswar. The foot overbridge will be constructed at a cost of Rs 1.25 crore, the MP said. The shrine of the presiding deity Sulyabudak at Khairaguda Bhadrakala and Kumari Sankala village of Deogang block in Balangir district is all set to get soaked in birds and animal blood as the traditional festival begins Tuesday. The festival is held every year on the first Tuesday of the lunar fortnight of the Hindu Posa Masa by the tribals. Bhadra Dam in Junagadh block of Kalahandi district, which hold much significance for the agriculture sector in terms of its irrigation potential, is now struggling for survival. 70 years after its commissioning, it has not been renovated till date, a report said. That's all for today. You were watching Odisha Post Live. To stay updated, stay connected to Odisha Post Live.